Hello, dear student. So this is unit number 2nd, okay, of your semester 4. So in the instrumental method, as I told you, we are going to discuss about few of the instruments like potentiometer, conductometer, then pH meter. Okay, so such instruments are there which we are going to see, and their basics we are going to study over here. So first we'll see the principle of potentiometry. Principle of potentiometry. Okay. So in S.Y.B.Sc you are going to find out the pH using potentiometer, and also pH can also be calculated or found out using a pH meter. Okay. So from which you can do the study of different compound. So here principle of potentiometry, the basic concept of Voltaic cell. What is a Voltaic cell? So Voltaic cell is also known as a galvanic cell. It is an electrochemical cell that uses a spontaneous redox reaction to produce electricity. Okay. So the Voltaic cell will thus consist of two electrode system referred as a half cell. A half cell is consist of metal wire, strip, rod, plate dipped into the aqueous solution containing its own ion. Okay. Example: silver wire is dipped in the aqueous solution of silver nitrate. Okay, which consists of silver half cell. Right. Often the reactive species are present in the gaseous or liquid state. So then an inert metal like a platinum is used for the electrical contact. So here platinum wire is dipped in the solution containing Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus ions. The electrode at which oxidation takes place is called as anode. The electrode at which reduction takes place is called as cathode. Anode is indicated by negative sign and cathode is indicated by positive sign. Okay, so electrons are always flowing from negative to positive, means anode to cathode. What is oxidation? Oxidation, loss of electron is called as a oxidation. So silver undergoes oxidation. So that half cell is indicated by Ag, then Ag plus. Okay. So at cathode, the following reaction takes place: the reduction. Okay. So H plus E gives you half H2 gas. Okay. So reduction of H plus ion. What is reduction? It's a gain of electron. So half cell is indicated by H2 oblique H plus half cell, or built up of negative charge in the half cell. So in order to counteract this effect, a salt bridge is used to connect the two half cell internally. Salt bridge is used to filled with a saturated solution of or soluble salt like potassium nitrate, potassium chloride, and ammonium nitrate. It is so introduced that one end is in the beaker containing silver ion and other end in the beaker containing positive or protons, okay, or H plus ions. So electrolyte, if the electrolyte is potassium nitrate, the negatively charged nitrate ion will thus flow out of one end of U tube to balance the positive charge on Ag plus ion created at the anode and positively charged Clay plus ion. Okay, so this is what present in the salt bridge. So this process is happening through the salt bridge. What are the line notations? See, here you can see how the line notations are indicated. Here is a single line, here it is a double line, again here is a single line. Okay, so to the left side there is an anode, to the right side there is a cathode. Okay, now see, the line notation for anode or oxidation is written before the line notation for the cathode. Notation for anode is written before the line notation for cathode, or line notation for oxidation is written for the line notation for the reduction. Okay, so within a half cell, reactant are listed before the product. Within the half cell, reactant are listed before the product. Okay, now see, this is a reactant, this is a product. Here it is this is a reactant, this is a product. Okay, so from left to right, a single vertical line indicates the change in state or phase. Single vertical line indicates change in state or phase. This is solid, this is in the aqueous form. Okay, this is in the aqueous form, this is again in the solid state. A double vertical line indicates the use of salt bridge or the function between the half cell and the use of salt bridge. Okay, concentration of aqueous solution are written in the parenthesis after the symbol of ion or molecule. Okay, see here. Here, concentration is written after the symbol. Okay, after the symbol of ions or the molecules. A comma is used when the electrode or electrolyte involves more than one species. Comma is written when electrolyte involves more than one species. The polarity is written on the top of the right hand corner, the right and left corner. So here is what positive charge, here is what negative charge at anode, here is what positive charge at cathode. Okay, the polarity is written at the top end, left and right. So Daniel cell is also written as follows. So this is what the